never drink iced coffee, but for some reason I really feel like having one today. I'm gonna start by adding some Sonic ice into my little cup. And then I have coffee here that I made yesterday and it's just been sitting in the fridge, so I'm gonna add some of that into my cup. It feels like I have about 2 tablespoons left in this heavy whipping cream container. So I'm gonna add some of my creamer into the container and shake it up to make like a cold foam. It looks very creamy, but let's give it a try. It's actually really good. It's not really cold out, more just foggy, but I'm gonna make my favorite cold weather dinner tonight. I'm gonna make some chili and it's super easy. I'm gonna brown some ground beef, add in a diced onion, add in 2 cans of beans, about half of this can of chicken broth, and some tomato sauce. I have a little bit of time before I need to sit down and start working, but I wanted to show our bed set. We got a king bed set from Nebraska Furniture Mart and had it delivered here. We opted to build it ourselves. The rails were the wrong color. So this is the dresser in the color that it's supposed to be. We built the footboard and the headboard. This is a nightstand that we haven't put together yet, but you literally just take it out of the box and put the handles on. Don't mind the mess. There's me. Hi. And my puppy. One of them. There's the other one. But this is what the nightstand looks like. This is the sides and the rails. Whenever I first opened this, I was like, this is way too light. And sure enough, it says whitewash. What we ordered is supposed to be golden rustic finish. So Saturday we're gonna have to drive, it's probably about an hour-and-a-half drive to Nebraska Furniture Mart and exchange that. Here's my hyperfixation breakfast. I am having to adjust to using the electric stove because at our apartment we had gas, which I love. The electric definitely takes longer, but I'm getting used to it. In my first video, I talked about a steak seasoning that my husband and I got at a boat show that we went to not too long ago. This chupacabra rub is like an all-purpose seasoning, and I'm gonna add that onto my egg. It's got dehydrated garlic and dehydrated onion in it, so putting it on the egg, that little bit of moisture kind of rehydrates it, and it tastes really good. I used to be a boiled egg hater, but this has been my go-to breakfast lately. I am a sour candy freak, and these Trolli Sour Bright Octopus are so good. They come in 3 different flavors, and my favorite is the orange and yellow, but they're all so good. These seriously are my favorite sour candy ever, and like I said, I am a sour candy snob. This video's been a lot about what I've been eating, but I just have to show my coffee mug. I love it. Pretty sure I got it on Amazon, and then I have to show you my shirt as well. My husband got me this for Christmas, and not only does it fit perfect, I just love it. Good morning and happy Saturday. We have a lot of house stuff to do today. We need to go return the rails at Nebraska Furniture Mart. We need to stop by the apartment and kind of finish picking things up and cleaning the apartment. We also need to return our internet router to either UPS or FedEx. Just kind of adult things. I have book club next week and we're reading Verity by Colleen Hoover. I got it from Target yesterday and I can't wait to start reading it. We stopped at Nebraska Furniture Mart and exchanged our slats and rails for the correct color. We stopped at our apartment and picked up a broom and dustpan, as well as a gift that my cousin mailed us. Now we're at Tom Thumb picking up our groceries, and my husband actually ran in to get a propane tank. My mother-in-law got us a Blackstone for Christmas, and we're gonna have family over tomorrow and grill on it, so we need the propane tank to do that. We also both got haircuts. I just got a short trim, and my husband also got his haircut. The pasta salad and cookies are for our dinner tomorrow night with our family. I'm gonna hop in the bath and start reading some of my book and just kind of hang out for the rest of the night. I'm currently in the process of making some breakfast burritos for my husband. Right now I'm frying up some potatoes. I browned up some breakfast sausage, and then I'm just gonna scramble up some eggs, but I wanted to show you our completed bed frame. We got the rails and slats yesterday from Nebraska Furniture Mart. We stayed up until about 11:30 putting the bed together. It took us about an hour to realize that we had instructions from 2008 that were in the package. So I looked up the current instructions, and it was extremely easy to put together. So this is it all together. There's the nightstand, the bed frame, another nightstand, and the dresser. So here's the setup. I have tortillas that I heated up and wrapped in a kitchen towel so that they don't dry out. I have fried potatoes, scrambled eggs, and cheese in this skillet, ground breakfast sausage. Here are my completed burritos. What I do is I have a paper towel, take a tortilla, take a good scoop of my potato, egg, and cheese mixture, good scoop of the breakfast sausage, and then I'll just wrap it up and wrap it in the paper towel. And then once I have all of my completed burritos, I will wrap them each in some aluminum foil. And I'm gonna store these in the freezer. My husband can take them out, heat them up with the paper towel on, and then put it back in the aluminum foil to take to work. And there we go, a bag of freezer burritos.